Okay, can everybody see the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Yeah.
All right, we are Team Wisconsin, and this is our final presentation. I'm David Hodnett.
Morgan Webster.
I'm Neil Nelson.
And I'm Riley Willis. So the basis for this project is a 614,000 square foot warehouse. It will also function as a shipping and receiving center and have 17,400 square feet of dedicated office space. Located in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we expect the construction duration to be around 13 months.
So to give you a quick few dates on our construction milestones, we expect design to begin on June 18th of 2018. Our construction drawings are planned to be complete by August 23rd of 2018, and our permitting period will be from July 10th to September 11th. Our construction will start with demolition on September 11th of 2018, and our final completion will be September 20th of 2019.
Just a quick summary of the systems that are going to be going into this building. We are going to use precast concrete wall panels with steel roof decking with PVC membrane, 4,000 amp, 3-phase service, emergency generators, and uninterruptible power source, macro air fans, and a basic hot water system return and cold water system return, and a wet pipe fire protection with a 150,000 gallon water tank located just outside of the building.
For cost, we're expecting our total GMP to be $38,262,538. We have a contingency of 5% of our construction cost at $1,768,613. And we're using a shared cost savings formula where 60% would go to the owner and 40% would go to the contractor.
So to get started with safety, Wisconsin, it's one of our big values. Here I've highlighted four main components of our safety plan. The first one being risk assessment and hazard mitigation. These could be any kind of hazards from safety to legal to financial. The way we go about this is with a 4-step process. We start by identifying risks. We then list these risks in order of importance. We then determine our response strategy, and based off of all that info, we form our risk plan. Another important thing is safety training for all employees, whether it be a subcontractor or Wisconsin employee. There is a mandatory safety orientation for every employee prior to the job. Our safety staff will comply with 2 safety superintendents on site daily. The project engineers will work with these safety superintendents. And then violations. So the way we go about this is if a safety code is broken, the safety superintendent will report a violation to the project manager, who will then conduct an investigation to figure out whether or not a safety violation was had actually happened and how the punishment will be.
So now we're going to talk about our design for this project.
So to get started, here's our site utility plan. As you can see, all the utilities come from Governor John Highway. What we did was we rerouted the water supply to go to our water tank on the west side of the building. That water tank will supply our fire suppression system. And as you can see, all other utilities connect to the building in the lower left quadrant, where we also have 2 of our generators. So basic traffic plan, we wanted to mitigate as much traffic as we possibly could. So as you can see, shown in the red, this will have traffic from facility employees. They'll come straight off of Governor John Highway on the Roscoe Lane into the parking lot. And this will be where all visitors and employees park when the building is completed. We'll have all shipping and receiving trucks come straight off of Governor John Highway and then proceed to the loading docks. And this decision was made to just try and keep the employees away from the shipping and receiving trucks to try and mitigate as much traffic as we can.
So here we have the floor plan for the warehouse. If you look closely at the top and at the bottom of the warehouse, you can see the receiving and the shipping office. And then the office space is off in the bottom right corner of the floor plan. And here's the floor plan for the offices. The first floor plan is on the right, and the second floor plan is on the left.
These are our building elevations. We decided to use a 38-foot tall flat roof. We got this number by, this is the lowest possible number we could get with the macro air fans that we decided to use for the space they need to hang off the ceiling, as well to still meet the clearance for the top storage racks. And then we have windows running along the top of our buildings.